Valentine's Day is just around the corner, so it's time to start thinking about what makeup look you're going to be wearing for date night or even Galentine's Day with your best friends. Pink eyeshadow is not a super common color to wear, but when done right, it is beautiful. So in today's look, I'll be showing you how to create this bright pink eyeshadow look that is perfect for Valentine's Day. Since the eyes are the focal point for today's look, let's keep the face simple and just do your normal face routine. My everyday face routine consists of a BB cream for extra coverage and some hydration, especially for the winter months. So I'm just applying this all throughout my face, blending it on the hairline, neckline, all of that. Next, take your favorite concealer to cover up any under eye circles and all those pesky blemishes. I'm just using the same sponge to blend the concealer and make sure everything is covered. Next, take your pressed powder to set everything. I'm just gonna add some bronzer to my cheekbones just to add a little bit of warmth to my cheeks. Next, to keep with the rose pink colored theme, I'm going to add my favorite light pink blush to my cheeks. Now moving on to the eyebrows. Again, keeping it pretty simple, but we need to show our eyebrows some love because after all, it is Valentine's Day. So I'm just going to take a tinted brow gel and just fill in any sparse areas of my eyebrows. Now moving on to the eyes. We all know how much I love cream eyeshadows. Not only does it act as the perfect base for all your eyeshadow colors, but it will keep them lasting throughout the night. And cream eyeshadow also acts as a primer, so you can skip that step and just use a cream shadow to ensure everything stays put. And don't be afraid to work it in your inner corner to brighten up your eyes. When it comes to the eyeshadows, there aren't too many steps, so we're just going to take a champagne eyeshadow color that was similar to that cream eyeshadow, and again, blend it all over your eye. So once you build that color up to the intensity that you like, and everything is blended, we're going to add that bright color, which is the star of this look. All right, are we ready for the bright pink eyeshadow? Because I know I am. Since we are working with a super pigmented color, it's best to use a very dense eyeshadow brush. Gently apply this to the outer corner of your eyes. I say gently because this color is super pigmented and you want to start slowly and then build up the color. Okay, so it kind of looks a little crazy right now, but don't worry, that's why they made fluffy blending brushes. So I'm going to take a fluffy brush and blend, blend, blend. So just blend it out, and if you want to add more color, now's the time to do so. So for eyeliner, we're going to keep it very neutral and subtle and just apply a brown eyeliner ever so slightly to the top lash line as well as the lower lash line. For your lashes, generously apply your favorite mascara to your top and bottom lashes. Just like the face and the eyeliner, let's keep the lips simple. Go ahead and apply your favorite pink lip gloss. We are ready for Valentine's Day. Not only is this look great for Valentine's Day, but it's also great for any time of the year because you can easily swap out this bright pink eyeshadow with any one of your favorite bright eyeshadows. Let me know in the comments below how you're spending Valentine's Day, and I'll talk to you all soon.